Let's go for a recap of the sentence. A sentence should begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. For example, the baby sleeps. In this sentence, you can see that the baby sleeps. The T starts with a capital letter and here it ends with a full stop. If it is a question, it will end with a question mark. Look at the example given. What are you doing? W begins with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. You cannot make a sentence without a verb or a doing word. For example, the baby sleeps, which is the verb here, sleeps. You also know that verbs like run, play, write, is, are, am are also verbs. The full stop. We saw how a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark. Look at these sentences. They start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. 1. Varun kicks the ball. 2. I visited the Taj Mahal. 3. The children play in the park. So when we say something or give some information, we use a full stop at the end of the sentence. Such sentences are called statements. Let's go for a recap of question mark. The sentence will end with a question mark if it's a question. WH words like when, where, what, why, who, whom, whose, and words like how, etc. will take a question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's have a look at the examples given. 1. Where are you going? 2. When will Rohan come? 3. Can you open the door? So all these sentences, they begin with a capital letter, but they take a question mark at the end of the sentence. When do we use capital letters? We saw how a sentence always begins with a capital letter. We use capital letters at other times too. We use a capital letter for any proper noun. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a special name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Look at the examples given. Varun, Reena, Mumbai, etc. All these begin with a capital letter. Names of specific people, places, towns, cities, continents, days of the week, months of the year, titles of books, etc. all proper nouns. You will learn that later. They all begin with a capital letter. For example, look at the examples given. Monday, Goa, Europe, Indian Ocean, the blue umbrella, etc. We also use a capital letter when we use the word I. Wherever I is always in the capital.